Hi there, my name's Andrew. I'm a botanist, biologist, STEM researcher, and a woo-woo shaman. And I just made your guides for you. I spent the last 9 days in Canva, Himalayan mountain hell, also getting upgrades, dig the hair, for your POTS guide, which is checking my bio. And I also have one for light therapy too, so it's pretty cool. You guys can let me know what you think, or let me know what other guide you would like to see. But let's talk about light therapy and why it works for a sec. Your body's made of cells, right? Very basic fact. Your body takes in light. Light tells those cells what to do, and light is dependent on the size and the length of the wavelength, right? So blue light, much higher, much shorter bursts, high energy. Red, very low, very wavy. And it actually follows the chakras too, which I just think is hilarious. If you look at any visible color spectrum, right? So it's like UV, super, super high energy, damages DNA and prevents replication. And then all the way down to red, which in red light therapy, you can use that for cell proliferation, like wound healing, and a lot of cool stuff. It's in my guide, but how it works is the metabolites that react to this light build up in the cells as they age. So, like your body decays, so do the cells, and that's how they die. That's what signals the end of that cell's life cycle, is how we work based on wavelengths, right? So the sun and the moon and all of these different things about the place that you're located on the earth and like the time of the day even. This is the first time, I guess, moment in human history that we've been able to manipulate our environment the way we do. It's been around for 200,000 years. 4 million years is proto-chimpies. The light, so we can manipulate it. I have all these color-changing light bulbs in my house, and I constantly just change them to affect my moods and do my meditation and work with my chakras and various healing things. Because light is very useful, and you'll notice with people with synesthesia too, it's a very powerful tool. They use it in branding, whether you're in a McDonald's or a Wendy's. It's yellow and red because it's designed to make your brain want you to get out. They make it as uncomfortable as possible because they consider it like a fast-paced, quick change restaurant. So don't want your butt lingering in there on the uncomfortable plastic chairs. Anyways, it's all designed for a very specific reason by teams of psychologists in branding. But color is very, very powerful, right? So we talked about the placebo effect before on my channel and how certain medications are colored for certain reasons, like pink and Benadryl. They've been doing it since the 60s. They did this whole brand awareness study that they found that people thought the pill was more effective if it was pink, so they kept it as pink. That is why it is pink. It's also why Pepto-Bismol is pink. It makes your shit black. So color follows our metabolism down to a cellular level, right? So you are affected by color because your cells are affected by color. And one of the most interesting things popping out to me while I was doing research for this was methylene blue is one of the triggers that you can use to cause these metabolic changes in cells. And you've heard that all over TikTok. People use it, talking about ADD and autism and treatment for that. Your body is just a bunch of little gooby balls that respond to light, and you can hack it and use it to make your dumb animal body do things. And I made guides about it. And speaking of autism, POTS is with that as well. So I'm going to make a whole thing about autism too. I think it's going to be really cool. It might be, what is it, like my life's work? It's my book, my beautiful book of autism, a beautiful mind of goo. Anyway, go check out my guides. Let me know what you want me to ramble about when I'm fed after midnight. And thanks for watching. Oh, yeah. If I get to 10,000 subscribers, I can put everything into a playlist for you guys so you don't have to search through all of my stuff to find my sources. So follow me so I can make stuff easy for you. I appreciate it.